Hello, good afternoon. Kuya Gary po. Kumusta po kayo? Yeah, so today may gusto akong i-share sa inyo and this is a possible opportunity po para sa ating lahat na kumita. And the good thing here is very minimal po ang investment requirement dito and the knowledge transfer from me to you is free. Ulitin ko, free, libre po yan. So what am I talking about? I am talking about foreign currency trading. Okay, and then also commodity trading, which is gold, popular, and then also cryptocurrency trading, which is Bitcoin, also a popular commodity that a lot of the traders would like. Okay, so just to show you, I started this account 2 days ago. So today is February 7. So yan, so nag-deposit pa ako ng $75. Makikita nyo po yan dyan. And in February 5, I made $115 trading Bitcoin and gold. So yan po yung ating transaction history. And yesterday naman po, this is February 6. So yeah, February 6, nagneto po tayo ng $85. So yan po ang ating profit for yesterday. For today naman po, which is February 7, so we have $26 po na balance and I'm still trading for today. So, if you're interested to learn and you're interested na kumita, paano, nasaan ka man sa mundo, kailangan mo lang ng cellphone, no need to have a laptop. Of course, you need an internet para mag-trade. Capital requirement po, $100 lang. Yan ang minimum at kailangan discipline. So you know what to do, hit me. Tuturuan ko po kayo ng strategy, my connections, my links, kung anong tamang forex broker ang gagamitin natin, kung ano yung pinaka cheap na kanilang rates at kung saan ka pwedeng kumita ng mas malaki. Ibibigay ko po lahat sa inyo yan for free. Hit me, let me know po, message me, and magkaroon tayo ng one-on-one session po. So hopefully, this journey between your financial freedom starts now. It's all up to you to hit me. Alright? Bye!